Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that has been popping up all over social media lately, the Gowuffy robot dog, also sold under names like Gowuffy or My Realistic Robot Puppy. You've probably seen those short videos showing an incredibly cute tiny puppy walking, playing, barking, and acting almost like a real teacup dog. The ads claim it has lifelike fur, realistic eyes, and smart motion control that makes it walk, run, and respond to touch just like a real puppy. They even say it can show emotions by wagging its tail and reacting to its owner. With so many promises and such a low price, a lot of people are wondering if this product is actually legit or if it's just another social media scam. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about what people are really receiving compared to what the ads show. While the product is marketed as an advanced AI robot dog with realistic movements, emotional responses, and interactive features, the truth is very different. Most buyers report that it's just a basic plush toy with a cheap motor inside that makes it walk in a straight, stiff motion and produce a simple bark sound. There's no intelligent motion control, no emotional responses, no smooth running or realistic play. The ads often show real teacup puppies or high-end robot dogs, not the actual product being sold. A major red flag is that this same robotic puppy is being sold across several websites, all with different brand names and identical descriptions. Many of the ads look AI-generated, and the videos seem to be edited to mislead people by showing real puppies instead of the toy. The pricing is also suspicious. These sites claim you're getting a 75% off deal that ends today, but the same countdown timer has been running for months. Real AI-powered robot pets cost anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000, and the technology needed to make a robot dog behave emotionally is nowhere near possible at a $25 to $50 price range. Another common issue buyers face is what they actually receive in the mail. Many people report receiving a low-quality $5 toy that looks nothing like the puppies shown in the ads. Some don't receive anything at all. Others receive the wrong product and struggle to get refunds. There are multiple complaints on Reddit and consumer forums about missing deliveries, fake tracking numbers, or customer service that completely disappears after purchase. In some cases, sellers shut down their websites after enough complaints start rising. For example, a store called Impulse Rush, which was selling the same robotic puppy, was taken down after a few months, leaving customers with no support. The biggest reality check here is the technology itself. Realistic AI pets simply do not exist at this low price point. The most advanced robot dogs today can barely handle smooth motion and basic responses, and they cost thousands of dollars. So when a website claims their $40 toy can walk, run, interact emotionally, and learn behavior like a real dog, it's a huge warning sign. The product being advertised online and the one customers receive are not the same. So, is the Gowuffy robot dog legit or a scam? Based on the red flags, complaints, misleading ads, low-quality products, and disappearing sellers, it's very hard to trust this product. If you're looking to buy a robotic pet for your kids or family, it's better to go with trusted brands or check real reviews before spending your money. Don't let cute videos trick you into buying something that doesn't exist.